now. Let's check in with Paul in the Forewarned Weather Center.
The big story weather-wise is going to be Tropical Storm Cindy over the next few days. It's still a tropical storm right now. Eventually it's going to weaken once it moves inland, but the remnants of it are still going to have a big influence on our weather. Take a look at the satellite and radar together, big picture view. The clouds we have overhead this morning are way up in the atmosphere, but they are associated with Tropical Storm Cindy. That's how big this system is. The center of circulation still way offshore, but it's already sending a lot of rain onshore in Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, into Florida as well. This is where the greatest flood concern is, but we're going to have to watch for that as well as we head into tomorrow and especially Friday with that second round of heavy rainfall. We're going to see some chance of a few showers or thunder showers in southern Middle Tennessee already today, but just that southern tier of counties. I think those are going to fizzle out as they try to lift farther to the north. So that's already the beginning of the influence Cindy is going to have on our weather, but those should fade off the radar as we head past sunset this evening. More rain off to our southwest. This is going to come up towards us. We're going to return to Futurecast in just a second. But first, we want to give you a look at what you're experiencing as you're heading out the door this morning, because we still have calm weather for today. Temperatures in the mid to upper 60s, very normal for the first morning of summertime. It's just going to feel like summer throughout the day. Warmer and muggier by noon, mid to upper 80s already by lunchtime. Those winds out of the south helping to warm us up, even though the sun is going to be filtered through those high clouds in the outer edge of Cindy. We're still going to hit 90 degrees for high this afternoon with that chance of thunderstorms in southern Middle Tennessee. The better chance of rain for all of us comes surging up beginning already early tomorrow morning, but really by the middle of the day tomorrow is when we're going to see some more intense rainfall and possibly some heavier thunderstorms. It's not a zero severe weather risk tomorrow, but it does remain fairly limited throughout the daylight hours on Thursday. A little break in the action Thursday night into early Friday, so hopefully that lets the rain kind of soak in to get ready for the next round of showers and storms. It's going to be moving in later in the day Friday. As the center of what's left of Cindy actually tracks directly overhead, here comes all this rain, including the potential of some stronger thunderstorms Friday evening into Friday night. Severe weather potential tomorrow is going to be greatest off to our southwest, a slight risk of severe weather there. Marginal risk for us, which means it's possible, it's not real likely. Damaging winds, heavy rain, the tornado threat should stay to our southwest. The threat for severe weather is a lot closer to home on Friday. I think eventually Storm Prediction Center is going to have to move this a little farther to the north. Damaging winds and flooding rain still the main concern, but there's going to be enough spin with what's left of Cindy to produce an isolated tornado threat as well. We'll be watching for all those threats throughout the next couple of days. How much rain? 2 to 4 inches of rain in this red shaded area right along the center of the midstate, right along Interstate 40. Again, that's an estimate from a computer model, but most of the other data we're seeing indicates similar numbers. So that's enough rain to cause localized flooding. Because it's coming at us in a couple of different waves, hopefully we'll have enough time in between those waves for the rain to soak in and we'll be able to avoid any widespread flooding. We'll take the rain chances mostly out of the forecast by Saturday and Sunday. I'm nervous about saying that. That's a tenuous forecast because these tropical systems can be tricky. Right now the thinking is as Cindy departs to the east, the northerly winds behind it should drag that drier area and really reduce our rain chances for the weekend. But we'll keep you updated on that as the whole weather pattern evolves and the weekend gets a little bit closer.
All right, Paul, we know you. Fill us in with the very latest. 5:53 for you.